Now that we have an account, it is time to install Perpetto. We have created an activation tool that will guide you through the discrete steps. And let's go ahead and launch it. It will open your shop visually on the left side and show you all the needed things to do on the right. In the first step, it prompts us to install the extension. And here we have the download link. So we can then head over to our Magento admin and go to Magento Connect. We can use the uploader to upload the Perpetto for Magento 1 extension zip and press upload. So once this is done, we need to head back to the admin of our shop and then sign out and sign in again. So here we have the system configuration menu, and on the left we will see the Perpetto extension. The next step is just to link our extension to our Perpetto account. For this we need to copy and paste our account ID and secret from the activation tool. Account ID is Magento and secret is just below it. The only option left is to choose whether we want to send live customer data or include customer data in the order import. If you don't want to use the behavior triggered personalized emails that Perpetto can send, you can leave both options as they are by default. If you want later on to use that product, then you can always switch them here to yes, save the configuration, and flush your cache. So for the purpose of this demo, I will put them both to yes so that you see how we will send this data in the next video. So next step is just to click Save Config. And this is it. Perpetto is now installed on our Magento. The last step we need to do is to flush the cache. Just click on Flush Magento Cache. Just wait 1 second, everything will be green, and then we can head back to the activation tool and head over to the next step.